Alright, so I will be talking about our 3D device. It is a grocery bag holder. And so how it works is you just slide the loops of the bag right here, and you can add them like this. You can hold multiple bags. That way you can hold all your grocery bags in a hook grip like this. And this is beneficial because it alleviates pressure on your wrist and basically your whole upper extremity. And it's helpful for people who have conditions such as carpal tunnel syndrome or rheumatoid arthritis. And you just want to make sure that the bags are not too heavy where it's compromising the integrity of your joints or possibly breaking the device.